Guys, it's the last day. We did it. It's done. You got no homework today. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about what we've learned, what I hope for you, and what's next. So, first of all, the purpose of Leap to Lead was to get you to lead consultant. It was to steady your $500 a month in PRV. It was to help you add your first teammate or your second or your third or however many it took to get you to lead consultant. It was to help you foster a team who sells 1,000 in team wholesale volume every single month. That didn't happen for you? Did it? Did it not? If it did, congratulations. You have graduated Leap to Lead. You did all the homework. You worked really hard every single day. You made that huge list of 100 and you talked to all of them. You did all of your homework. You printed out the 90-day sleigh. You wrote down your goals. You talked to people. You were bold. You booked those basket parties. You offered the opportunity. You shared the blessing. And I'm so proud of you. If you didn't, it's okay. All of our journeys are different, but I do encourage you to take the course over again until you promote to lead, until you know that you have absolutely done the homework every single day. You've done your best with your list of 100. You've talked to all of them. You have written your whys down. You've scratched like crazy in your journal. You have had conversations that stretched you and pushed you, and you did honest work every single day. You got your basket parties out over and over and over again. You coached your hostesses. You worked on booking other parties. You talked to everyone about joining Scentsy. You didn't withhold it because you know that it's their choice if they join, not yours. And yeah, so take the course again if you want to. I encourage everyone to take it until they are lead consultant and consistently making their numbers. So what's next, right? So if you did Leap to Lead, I want you to reach out to your sponsor and talk to them about when you'd like to hit star. When is your star goal? And then once you hit star, you get to join us in our Star Plus group here on Facebook. If you did not Leap to Lead, like I said, I want you to take this course again. Look up in the events tab, click the next one, RSVP to it, and join us again. Let's do this again. These are good trainings. These are good information. These are things you should be doing every day and then repeat them over and over and over again. That's the purpose of your journal, was to take amazing notes and to continue the foundational skills we're learning right here. So I want you to take the course again. I want you to invite a friend. If you do have anyone on your team, whether you did Leap to Lead or you did not, please invite them to take the course. This is for the growth of everyone on our team. This is something that everyone's going to benefit from. If you have someone under you leaping to lead, it benefits you and it's going to rise your tide. So make sure that you are sharing this with others. Invite them to the group. Invite them to Leap to Lead with you. Keep each other accountable. Don't forget about your accountability partner that we set a few days ago. And don't forget, if you invite someone to Leap to Lead with you, you better stick around for the whole thing, and you better be keeping them accountable to the things that they said in the beginning and messaging them and coaching them and helping them through it just as you are. Make sure that your leaders are always tagged on your posts because they need to be keeping you accountable to the promises you're making and the homework you're doing and helping you with this as well. If you need your leader to step up and kind of help you a little more, please message them and let them know you're doing Leap to Lead again and that you would love input on your journey and that you would love them to walk it with you and to help you grow. Leaders, if you take the course again, I would love to hear what you've learned, any new things that you've tried, and just take it alongside the people on your team. Even if you are way past lead consultant, it's always good for us to remember what the foundation was built out of, especially if we have found our businesses slipping recently. Rebuilding your foundation is key and core to the success of your journey long term. So this course isn't just for people who are new. It's not just for people who have yet to hit lead. It's for everyone who needs to strengthen the foundation of their business so that they can feel safe in it, that they can build off of it, and that they feel like they are secure and they have room to explore creatively and to grow their business in new ways, to come up with new ideas and to try new things. So please, Leap to Lead with us again, or invite others to Leap to Lead with you again. If you did leap to lead and you're hitting those numbers, please pick people on your team to coach through this and stick right by them the whole time. I want you guys to take this seriously, make it a priority, and commit to it. If you weren't able to do that this time, I hope you'll join us again and try it again next time. I'm so proud of all of you who are with us the whole time. I saw some of you commenting first and every day, and I'm so proud of you. Like I said, if you want to take the course again, please do. And then please invite people to join you. I'm so thankful you guys joined us, and I cannot wait to see you next time. Bye-bye.